Before starting today's video, I would like to thank each and every one of you who has subscribed to our channel, because we now have over 50 subscribers in our channel, which we have gained in less than 2 weeks. So thank you all for this kind of support, and keep loving us, keep supporting us. So without any further ado, let's jump into today's topic. This is the official hands-on look of the Mi Band 5, as Xiaomi is almost done with the Mi Band 5 production, and the launch event will happen really soon. It could be an online launch event, even most probably in the month of June. We all know that when it comes to budget fitness trackers, then Mi Band has always stood out from the other bands produced by different other companies. These bands are cheap and affordable, as these provide top-notch features which we see in smartwatches, but Xiaomi is always upgrading its features with every launch of its smart band, and this Mi Band 5 provides us with some upgraded features over the Mi Band 4. Sources say that the upcoming smart band by Xiaomi has Amazon Alexa support. Is it true? Because some sources shared pictures with blue circle on the screen which confirms about the Amazon Alexa support. Other than that, some more exercise features are included in the smart band. And talking about the display, we can see the live images of Mi Band 5, which reveals that this time we will see larger display of 1.2 inches. Maybe Xiaomi will improve the display quality too. Along with it, we will see the same AMOLED display which we saw in the Mi Band 4, but this display looks more colorful than the Mi Band 4. Now talking about the new exercise features, this time Mi Band 5 is coming with two new exercise options, the yoga and indoor bicycling. This time Xiaomi is gonna add some camera controls in Mi Band 5 which can help you to capture pictures from your band. These features we have already seen in a lot of other smartwatches. And then talking about the charging adapter, we will have the same charging adapter which we saw in Mi Band 3, or the plug-in charger. And the technique of charging is same as that we have done in the Mi Band 3, where we get the capsule out from the band and charge it in the charging dock, and its design is similar to that of Mi Band 4. And talking about the design wise, we see no difference in the Mi Band 5 and the Mi Band 4. This time we will see some more clock styles and the orientation also in analog format. And here comes the pricing. The price of Mi Band 5 is considered to be under rupees 2500, and if this expected price is the real price, then this Mi Band 5 will be as popular as the other Mi Smart bands. Let me know your thought in the comment section below, and if you wanna buy it, please comment yes in the comment section, and also if you don't wanna buy it, state the reason. And this was all about today, and hope you liked it. If you liked this, then put a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and put the notifications to all to never miss an update from the Techno Brothers.
Yeah.